When you mix creativity with electronics, it becomes a masterpiece. I always love to generate a 3D model of my product before creating it in real. This not only gives me a better view of what the final product is going to look like, but also helps me in finding the correct measurements of the final product. So I went ahead and used the free Windows 3D builder. So this is how it looks like after putting all the pieces of cardboard molds together. Now let's pour some bricky sand in and around the mold to hold it nice and tight when I pour the liquid concrete. Making the sand a bit wet will make it firm and will also remove all the unwanted air from the sand. Cool. Now let's go ahead and pour the concrete into the mold. I used a plastic cutout from a milk bottle to cover these blue LED clusters. The white color of the plastic gave it a gloomy look, which was absolutely super awesome. This bit of the code is to flash the white LEDs when the minute counter resets to 0. If you're planning to use the 2 push button switches to set the time or to set the alarm, go ahead and uncomment this bit of the code and add your code block to it. So this is how the final setup looks like. Do comment and let me know if there are any scopes of improvement.